Good morning, 9th class. I hope you are all fine. We have started mitosis. We have discussed mitosis is divided into two major phases, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is further divided into four phases, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. We have discussed prophase in our last lecture. In prophase, nucleus undergo different changes. For example, chromatin condense and chromosomes they form, and then spindle fibers they also form, and then nuclear envelope break and nucleolus they disappear. So these are the different changes that take place in prophase. Okay, now the next phases of karyokinesis are metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now how these what are these phases? We will discuss these phases in our today's lesson. Okay, first phase is the metaphase. In metaphase, actually what happened, this diagram shows metaphase. Okay, first of all, these spindle fiber they will grown into a sufficient length. These are the spindle fibers. These are all are the spindle fibers, and they grown into a sufficient length. And then what happened on these spindle fibers? There are some spindle fiber which is known as kinetochore fibers. These are kinetochore fibers where chromosome will attach themselves, and chromosome they will attach with the help of kinetochores. Kinetochores are the central part of the chromosome, and with the help of kinetochore, chromosome will attach themselves on the spindle fibers, which is known as kinetochore fibers. Kinetochore fibers are the some spindle fiber where chromosome will attach themselves. So in this metaphase, these chromosome they will arrange themselves at the center, at the equator, and with the help of kinetochore fibers, and this is called as metaphase plate when chromosome attach themselves at the center. So in metaphase plate is formed. Okay, and basically in metaphase plate is formed. So what happened in metaphase? When spindle fiber have grown to some sufficient length, some spindle fiber known as kinetochore fibers they attach with the kinetochore of chromosomes. Okay, and the two kinetochore fiber from opposite pole attach with each chromosomes. Basically what happened, these kinetochores they are from opposite pole which is attached to the chromosomes, one from this pole and other from this pole. So where chromosomes are attached, they are these spindle fiber are kinetochore fiber. They are from opposite poles from with the centrosome. So in this phase, metaphase plate is formed, and there are some other kinetochore fibers. For example, these are the kinetochore fibers where no chromosomes are attached. These are called as non-kinetochore fibers, and they also form in this metaphase. Okay, so these are the different changes take place in metaphase. So a major change is the formation of metaphase plate. Okay, next phase is the anaphase. What happened now in anaphase? In anaphase, these chromosomes they have to separate themselves. In next phase, anaphase में क्या होगा? In chromosomes they will separate themselves. How they will separate themselves? Actually what happened, because these chromosomes they will attach with the kinetochore fiber which are from opposite pole. Actually there is a pulling force from the centrosomes these centrosome, they exert a pulling force, and then these chromosome, they will separate from each other. Okay, and these now these are basically sister chromatids, and they will separate from each other, and they are now known as sister chromosomes. Now these are known as sister chromosomes. So in this anaphase, what happened? Because of the pulling force of this centrosome, these kinetochore fibers, they exert a force on the chromosome, and they will separate from each other, and sister chromosomes are formed. And at the end of the anaphase, what happened? Half of the chromosome, they will move one pole, and half will move towards the other pole. So at the end of anaphase, cell has succeeded in separating identical copies of chromosome into two groups at the opposite poles. Okay, at the end of anaphase, their cell have two different identical copies of chromosomes at two different poles. So this is the anaphase, in which basically sister chromosomes are formed, and chromosome, they separate themselves, and they will arrange themselves along the different poles. They will move towards the different poles. So this is the different changes take place in anaphase. Okay, so what happened in anaphase? When a kinetochore spindle fiber connect with the kinetochore of chromosome, it starts to pull towards the originating centrosome. ठीक है, centrosome जो है वो एक पुल करेगा kinetochore fibers को की हेल्प से, और क्रोमोसोम जो हैं वो सेपरेट हो जाएंगे. The pulling force divides the chromosomes, sister chromatids, and they separate. These sister chromatids are known as sister chromosomes, and they pull apart towards the respective centrosomes. So these are the different changes take place in anaphase. Okay, now the last phase is the telophase. Telophase is basically the reversal of prophase, that is, it is quite opposite from the prophase. The changes which take place in prophase, in telophase, there is reversal of that changes. For example, in telophase, what happened? Now this nuclear envelope is formed. Okay, this is the nuclear envelope, and then this nuclear envelope basically form around these two separate sets of chromosomes, and then this set of chromosome, now this is surrounded by a nuclear envelope. Okay, and these chromosome, then they will form again chromatin. So the changes which take place in prophase, it is reversed in telophase. So this is the end of karyokinesis, and here nucleus is divided into two nucleus, but there is still another phase that is cytokinesis, in which cytoplasm will divide. Okay, so this is the end of karyokinesis. Okay, learn it thoroughly. इसको अच्छे से याद करें, डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करें, और इसकी डायग्राम के साथ साथ इसको याद करेंगे तो आपको लर्न होगा. साथ साथ डायग्राम बनाएं और साथ साथ इसको लर्न करें. इसमें से MCQs बनाएं और इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन बनाएं. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.